Hey traders, Mike Katz, 7 Points Capital. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. And today the market started off with a pretty decent sell-off, a nice drop, some decent follow-through in the first hour or so, hour and a half. Usually the SPYs have been stalling out in the first half hour. Today we got a little bit more continuation. By 11:45 is where we put the bottom in, and then we came back. So daily, we have 2 days already where we are putting in bottoming tails, and today's like an inside day after a pretty big bottoming tail on Friday. It seems like every time we come down, there's a bid under the market, and they're just buying it right back up. So right now, that's the name of the game. We have to make sure to just react to what we're seeing. And from what I see right now, it just looks like the market is being bought. It could change on a dime, it could turn on a dime, but right now that's the scenario. So I tried to play some follow through early on with UVXY. Let's go over some of these trades real quick. So where's UVXY? There it is. The stock or the ETF was acting pretty well, making higher high, higher low. And at this point, I was thinking maybe I could get a dip back to where we broke out from right here to try to buy it versus this level, and we didn't get it. Missed me by a little bit, so I ended up having to chase a little bit, do smaller size, and buy the breakout, and then I was risking off of here. So a nice push, pretty nice push actually. Got out for about half, pretty close to the top. Had some calls I saw around it as well against the long position. And then ended up where I ended up taking off the rest of the stock over here. And now the calls are just coming in, and some deterioration there, some time value coming off. So overall, UVXY, fantastic trade. What else? Oh, right in the morning, I came in, I looked at PULM on the open. They had a headline where they were going to have some collaboration for their drug with another company. I forget what it was. So I figured, my setup where newest spike comes back and bases, and at that point I'm going to play the bounce. Well, when I saw this and it started, I bought I think 123. It's just a small starter position, and then instead of fighting it, I ended up getting out at 120. Just quickly realizing that this was a tape that was being sold. The stock was being sold. It was not going to get a bounce. So when I saw this and I reacted well, even before it went lower, when I noticed that, I bought, and I was very willing to take a quick loss and very willing to do it very quickly. I knew that it was going to be a good day. I knew that I was going to trade well because I'm thinking clearly and I'm not afraid to take small losses, and I'm not looking to fight it. It didn't work. Move on. Let's go to the next one. So I had a feeling that this was going to be a really good trading day, and it actually ended up turning out really, really well. So pay attention to what you're doing, whether or not you're following rules, and how quickly you're taking losses. If you see that you're thinking clearly and you're doing the right things, that's the day to really push it and try to get more out of it. If I'm starting to do the wrong thing and I'm in fighting mode as opposed to just trying to get out when I'm wrong, then basically I will end up just doing pretty poorly. So then I should do less. Hopefully, let's see, I think this computer's about to do a restart. Fantastic. Let's see, hopefully we can finish this up. NIO was really nice. Breakdown, all-time lows, 490. Got in, added to winners, and then bam, really nice flush, good size, good liquidity. And then that's mostly working. Took some off, and then right now put it back on before I walked into the room. And then NBEV has been really working well, just every day, just letting it work to its thing. Got my position. The sector has been weak, and today's APHA earnings didn't help the sector either, so that's been pretty good. So I think I'll stop here in case I get a restart, so distinct processes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Mike Katz, 7 Points Capital.